the Khyber Pass. Stay for a day and visit this famous mountain pass. It is about 58 kilometers long. So Khyber Pass is also located in Peshawar, and it is a mountain pass through. It is a pass through which people used to travel, and it is 58 kilometers long. The pass became important when the nomad Kushan tribes found this way through the mountains and came to Peshawar for the winter season. So how this pass became important? This pass became important when the nomad Kushan tribes. Nomad means the people who don't have their permanent residence. So they travel from one place to another to settle down. So these people were known as Kushan tribes. So they were also searching for some place to. They were also searching for some place to live. So when they found this route and came to Peshawar for the winter season. So they found this route and then they traveled from this route and came to Peshawar. They wore the clothes that are now the national dress of Pakistan, the shalwar and the kameez. So the shalwar and kameez which we wear now. So these clothes were came from these Kushan tribes. So they used to wear these shalwar and kameez, and now this is the national dress of Pakistan. Once people traveled by camel and needed no special permit to cross the pass. So in the ancient times, in the old times, people used to travel without any permit, without any permission, and without giving any money through this pass, but with the help of camel or any other, with the help of camel or any other vehicle. But now you need a special permit to travel up the pass by steam train, jeep, or bus. But now if you want to travel through this Khyber pass, you must have a special permit. You must have some special permission to cross this pass, and you can cross this pass with steam engine, with a jeep, or with a bus. So all these three things required a special permit. Look at the picture. It winds around the high mountain slopes. So you can see that there are slopes, high mountains, and on the mountains there is a pass built in on a mountain. Mountain के ऊपर ये पूरा का पूरा pass बना हुआ है, road बना हुआ है mountain के ऊपर, so that we can travel through these mountains. So you may see watchtowers and forts that were built to guard the villages and the road. So you all can see the watchtower on page number 3. So this is basically a tower which was built. It is a tower. We all know that tower is a long building, a large building, a tall building. So it is a tall building and it has a window, and there is a large window in that tower, so that the guards, the police can see that if the people traveling through this pass are having their permit with them and they are not using this pass illegally. So to guard this pass, there is a watchtower and a fort. What do you mean by a fort? A fort is basically, we can say, in the ancient times, Mughals and the kings used to have a large palace type thing, and where they used to live. In a fort is basically a palace in which they have other things as well, not only their houses but also the rivers and other things. And what else they are saying? The ruins of the old Buddhist stupas show where monks worshipped over 1,000 years ago. So this pass also has a stupa. What do you mean by stupa? Stupa is like a worship place for Buddhists. 1,000 years ago, there was a stupa. A stupa, a place where, like we are Muslims, so our worship place is mosque. Same as Buddhists. The Buddhist people, Buddhist people have stupa where they used to worship. So when we are crossing this Khyber Pass, we can see three important things. What are the three important things? The watchtower, the stupa, and the fort. A railway track was built through the pass by the British. The track goes through 34 tunnels and crosses 92 bridges. It also climbs 1,200 meters. So when Pakistan was ruled by the Britishers, so Britishers made a railway track on this Khyber Pass. And how is this railway track? This track, it has 34 tunnels and it crosses 92 bridges, and it also climbs 1200 meters.